I'm Mark with Deskcase, and in 1 minute I'm going to help you understand how to protect your equipment through precision lubrication. From food processing to pulp and paper, centrifugal pumps are common in many different industries. Chances are, if you move water or process fluids around your plant, you have a number of critical ANSI or API pumps. But did you know that according to a major bearing manufacturer, as many as 68% of pump bearing failures are caused by lubrication-related issues? One of the most common problems we see is incorrect oil level. In smaller pumps, even a quarter of an inch difference in oil level can mean the difference between success or failure. But oil level is something that can be easily monitored using an oil sight glass. Even if the pump has a constant level oiler, a sight glass should always be installed on the opposite side of the oiler to ensure the oil is flowing from the oiler to the pump housing. But while many pump manufacturers include a standard flat sight glass for this very reason, these often become stained or discolored over time, making it almost impossible to accurately check the oil level. Instead, a 3D sight glass that extends out away from the machine should be used. This window allows the oil to be observed from any angle, and in low light conditions, a flashlight or laser pointer can be used to easily determine if the oil level is correct. I'm Mark Barnes, and that's been my 1 minute maintenance tip.